ऑल राइट भाई लोग, आज 7:30 बजे पहला मैच होने वाला है आईएसएल का। एंड एटीके मोहन बगान खेलने वाली है केरला ब्लास्टर्स के अगेंस्ट। एंड पीपल हैव इन्फॉर्म मी दिस इज काइंड ऑफ द एल क्लासिको ऑफ इंडिया। व्हाई? बिकॉज बिकॉज लेट मी टेल यू कि दोनों फैन बेस को अगर आप कंपेयर करोगे तो इक्वली क्रेजी हैं फैंस ऑफ केरला, एंड ऑल्सो सेम गोज फॉर एटीके मोहन बगान फैंस। तो भाई आज के वीडियो में विल बी टॉकिंग मेजरली अबाउट केरला ब्लास्टर्स बिकॉज एटीके मोहन बगान के लिए हमने ऑलरेडी वीडियो कवर कर दिया है। आई लिंक इट अप ओवर द एट द कार्ड्स ओवर हियर। चेकआउट कर लेना, एटीके मोहन बगान की टीम, कोच के बारे में सब कुछ उसमें बात कर रखा है मैंने। बट आज के वीडियो में वील टॉक अबाउट केरला ब्लास्टर्स, क्या चल रहा है टीम में, व्हाई टीम इज अ बिट ऑफ इनस्टेबल, क्यों वो अच्छे से खेल नहीं पाते हैं, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स, नया मैनेजर आया है, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट ही वुड बी चेंजिंग, इंपॉर्टेंट प्लेयर्स कौन से हैं। एंड साथ ही साथ टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट बिग मैच प्रीव्यू दैट्स गोना happen, ATK Mohan Bagan versus Kerala Blasters. For that, I'll be welcoming Akshay over here. And let me tell you, Akshay is our analyst and he has provided us insight about so many teams from ISL. So welcome, Akshay, on the channel, man. How are you, yaar?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm great. I'm very excited about this ISL season, यार। मतलब देखो, मैं इतना ISL कवर नहीं किया आज तक, नहीं देखा हूँ। लास्ट ईयर थोड़ा सा देखा था, बट दिस ईयर आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू कवर एंड वॉच ISL। तो टेल मी समथिंग कि व्हाई केरला ब्लास्टर फैंस आर सो मच famous? What has made football so famous over there in Kerala?
See, basically, if you compare, if you look India as a whole, two states stand out. Like in the if you look the passion of football, two states stand out. One is West Bengal, one is Kerala. In Kerala, if you look the map, the northern side, basically like you call Ernakulam, where the home stadium is Kochi, and to Kasaragod. These areas have a huge fan base for football. Not only on Kerala Blasters, but whole football as a whole.
Yeah.
If you go there, like in Kerala, if you go, there's a huge fan base when and Super Classico happens. It means Argentina versus Brazil. That is the main specialty of our place. If you look there, Argentina, Brazil, these are the main two teams. There may be like Ronaldo fans भी होगा उसमें, but फिर भी अर्जेंटीना और ब्राजील, वो such a heated rivalry in a place. So इधर roads, firecrackers सब होता। अभी जो कोपा अमेरिका में जीता, अर्जेंटीना जीता।
हाँ, मैंने देखा था।
इधर
काफी सारे पोस्ट थे वहां पे, लोग अपनी कार पेंट करा लेते हैं, अपनी बॉडी पेंट करा लेते हैं, वो मेसी वाले टैटू बनवा लेते हैं, कटआउट्स लगा लेते हैं। यार भाई, क्रेजी माहौल,
बहुत पैशनेट है।
So how is the ISL treated? मतलब
ISL भी बहुत अच्छा से ट्रीट होता है। Like what you say, when the ISL starts, actually we it's not the fans problem. Actually, when the season starts, the hype goes to infinity. Such a big hype it will be. Like when the stadiums were open, those times the hype was so much. So if you look the first few games of Kerala Blasters, it be nearly 60,000 full stadium होगा। इतना, like it's kind of the highest capacity in India, I guess, the stadium with highest capacity. बहुत quality, nice stadium है. I have gone there also. Yeah, it will be like nearly 60,000. It's like kind of Dortmund. If you look the Dortmund stadium full yellow, ऐसा ही होगा Kerala Blasters full yellow. उसके बाद वो font से light सब बहुत अच्छा है.
Why do I sense a but in your sentence?
Yeah. The thing is that after seeing the playing, like जब 5-6 मैच हो जाता है, फैंस को भी like after seeing the team play, like they have a kind of what you say, there'll be a small dip in the hype. Like they are going with a damn hype, and if they don't do the like expectations कम होता है तो जरूर fans भी कम हो जाता है. So slowly the fans amount will reduce. Then by like kind of half of the season we'll know that are we in or are we out. ऐसा होता है. Like sometimes we may be in the nearly top of the table, sometimes in the bottom. Like if you're in the bottom, fan support also starts reducing slowly. So this is the problem. But we are always passionate. Passionate भी नहीं है, but passionate है.
That's the best thing about being a football fan, right? I know कि आपकी टीम जीत रही है तो आपको सपोर्ट करना बहुत easy होता है, but the main support comes when your team is losing. So what is like your thrilling moment as a fan? सबसे ज्यादा thrilling moment being a Kerala Blaster fan, man.
Yeah, thrilling moment is like 2014 में जब semi-final हुआ था केरला और चेन्नई एफसी. Like it was kind of what you say, we in the first leg we kind of won it 3-0 in our home stadium. Abhishek Bachchan all came there. It was a big night that day. Then in the second leg semi-final में जब चेन्नई में हुआ था, like there I don't remember the marquee player. he missed a penalty.
Ooh.
Then this like they got I think so they scored 3 goals. Abhishek Bachchan was like showing many hearty reaction, like we are elephant, right? Our emblem is elephant. So he was like kind of teasing us and all. But in the extra time, there was a guy called Pearson, our midfielder. He scored a winner, and he removed the t-shirt and celebration. बहुत अच्छा था. That was the most thrilling moment for me as a Kerala Blasters fan.
So you won it 4-3.
Aggregate में.
भाई साहब, okay, चलो वो तो अच्छी memories अलग है, but talking about this season and talking about the last season, there were things जो कि खराब हो रहे थे, काफी खराब finish, second from the bottom finish थी, and even इस साल भी start करते हुए you have seen कि आपके जो major crux जो आपकी टीम का है, जो core है टीम का, जो foreign players हैं, most of them have gone. So how do you rate the new players that have come, and कैसे team set up होगी under the new coach?
Yeah, so the players, first of all, like last year, if you look, last year many big names came. Bakary Kone, he was a Lion player. There were many photos like trending, like he was tackling Zlatan and all. Like there was a big hype. Gary Hooper, who had experience in Premier League, ऐसा बड़ा नाम आया था, but it was not. They were not performing to their what do you say, the level best they weren't performing. Yeah, expectations. But abhi jo aaya, like we haven't heard much. But few names are there which we have heard before, but they are not so famous. So like it's a new league. We can't.
Can you just tell me about the few key players that they have signed, Kerala Blasters have signed, and so that our viewers would know कि वो players है जिनको they'll have to watch from Kerala. मतलब let's say कि we are talking to a general crowd, एक बहुत general crowd हमें देख रहा है, and we are talking to them and we are telling कि भाई Kerala Blasters को देखो because ये कुछ players हैं who are very good footballers. So who are they going to be?
Yeah, so first one is Alvaro Vasquez. He's a Spanish striker basically. So he has experience in playing La Liga. He has played in Espanyol, Getafe teams. Then under Spain, like when he was playing the under 20 World Cup something, he has got a silver shoe also to his name. So these are his few history. Okay, then another player is Enes Sipovic.
Defender.
He's a defender. Maybe familiar with him because last year he was in Chennai FC. He's a Bosnian centre back. Another is Jorge Pereira Diaz. He's an Argentinian striker. Another striker. He has played in Malaysian Super League, etc. Then there is Adrian Luna. He's a player where like Kerala Blasters fans, most of the people are giving a hype on this guy. He's basically an AMF coming from Uruguay. He has played in the A-League last season in the A-League. He has won the A-League also, I think so, yeah. Then the Asian player is Chenjo. Chenjo is known as the Bhutanese Cristiano Ronaldo.
Yeah, I've heard about him.
He's nicknamed as CG7. So he has played, he has played in India also. He has experience playing in India.
League में खेलते थे,
Neroka, Minerva, Punjab, like that some teams. Then the last foreign signing is Marko Leskovic. वो भी एक centre back है, Croatian. 4 games something he has played for the national team.
Wow.
He has also experienced playing UCL or ULB खेलता था. So these are the main foreign signings.
Okay, very good. And apart from ये जो signings हैं foreigners की, जो कुछ Indian players हैं यहाँ पे हमारी टीम में, अब्दुल सहल, राहुल केपी, स्पेशली ये दो जो प्लेयर्स हैं इनको मैं काफी ज्यादा पसंद करता हूँ बिकॉज सहल अब्दुल समद को तो आई रियली लाइक बिकॉज ऑफ हिज एबिलिटी ऑन द बॉल, ड्रिबलिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड राहुल केपी को मैंने अभी अंडर 23 AFC एशियन में कप में खेलते जरूर देखा, तो काफी वर्सेटाइल, काफी अच्छे प्लेयर्स, यंग प्लेयर्स हैं. इनके अलावा इफ देयर इज एनी अदर इंडियन प्लेयर हु यू थिंक शुड बी लुक्ड आउट फॉर?
या आई थिंक सो देयर आर फ्यू. सो वन इज Jackson Singh. He was also there in the
Jackson Singh, definitely.
He's a DMF basically. Then there is a centre back called Abdul Haq.
Okay,
he's also a fine player, fine centre back. He's a local lad from Kerala itself.
Okay.
The thing is that the possibility of playing 2 foreign centre backs, I don't think so. It can happen always. So I think so Abdul Haq can be there in the 11, and he's a promising young talent. The another is Jessel Carnero. He's a present captain now. All together, he had the most assists as as a wing back, he had the most assists. But last season he couldn't perform to that level. So hype last season utna he couldn't perform up to the expectation. But still he's a promising lad. So he's a captain also this season.
Wow.
So he's also a guy to look out for. Then actually the present coach Ivan Bukmanovic, he prefers wingers actually. So ek winger hai Vinci Barreto. In the friendlies also he used to make him play. So he's also a promising young talent. Then एक और है Kabra, as you know from
Yeah.
Bengaluru,
Yeah.
he came. Yeah.
हाँ, but it's good to have depth in your team यार, because but हमेशा से यही सीन होता है, आप अपनी टीम को इतना ज्यादा चेंज करते हो, bring out so many players, बैलेंस आपका खराब हो रहा है, but it's like the job of the coach कि वो एक टीम में बैलेंस क्रिएट करे, find his best 11. Actually अगर देखा जाए तो what would be your expectation from this Kerala Blaster side for this season, particularly after so many changes?
Yeah, basically with the changes, the coach has also changed. So
Yeah.
basically, it's not the same coach with the different players. So actually, utna hype nahi hai. Basically, we used to keep hype, but this season it's not so much hype. Even the coach has said, like we are going for the win, no doubt. But like in his words also, we can understand. Like we have to do step by step. It's not like first 5 matches जीत दिया बाकी सब हार के, ऐसा नहीं है.
एक consistency बनानी चाहिए. Come on, I think for Kerala Blasters, man, come on. The worst thing that I've seen is हर सीजन मैनेजर बदलना, हर सीजन बहुत सारे प्लेयर्स चेंज होना. They have to have some consistency at least यार, 1.5 साल 2 साल तक तो मैनेजर स्टे करे. Come on.
Yeah, actually the management has recently changed. A guy called Carlos Kinkis has come as a sporting director. Actually last season the previous ATK I-League wala team ka coach jo ATK the Mohan Bagan team won it. So that coach Kibu Vikuna came here, but last season with the results he just with his own will he just left the club. So because of that we changed the manager or maybe because of the results maybe he could have been sacked, but don't know because the new management came. So last season actually the main drawback was, if I have actually calculated it, the back four was never same. Wow. Back four हर time change होता है. Like one guy was there, Costa also. He used also to get red card, yellow card ऐसा. हर time change होता है backline. Backline stable नहीं होता है हर time. So I think so that's a big fault last season. What happened? That the playing style was nice. It was not like it was not the long ball playing style. It was normal passing. He's a Spanish guy, Kibu Kuna. So but जो back four उतना stable नहीं था. So that was one of the reasons we considered so much.
Yeah. So about this season, expectation, how would you say, like a mid-table finish at least? Because 10th आए थे last time. Mid-table finish तो अभी इस बार तो करना ही पड़ेगा. Okay, so you gonna face you guys are gonna face ATK Mohun Bagan. Bhai, not to hype them, but they're a great side. तुमको पता है what they have done last season? Probably could have come off with like 2 titles, only lost it to Mumbai City. They have signed good players. Bomus है यहाँ पे, Deepak Tangri है, and they've got a great manager. Habas के बारे में सब जानते हैं. So his pragmatic and ज़्यादा hype नहीं करता अपनी टीम को.
Common squad also.
Exactly. सबसे बड़ी बात है उनका वो stable common squad जो last season था वही majorly अभी तक बचा हुआ है, and they have improved it. Johnny Coco has come in जो कि एक experienced player है from Euros. तो how are you thinking this game is gonna go मेरे भाई? Because I feel for you.
No, basically even every time we meet Habas, last season was an exception. We lost both the games. But before that, we used to win. The starting game was Blasters game. We used to win. So we have a history of winning against them. So it's not like the first game, right? No one takes it damn serious.
Yeah.
So like I know we go as the underdogs, but it's the first game and it's football. We don't know how it will be. And
obviously everyone wants to. Last season.
Yeah, no, last seasons we didn't get like जो friendly होता है pre-season उतना अच्छा नहीं था Kerala Blasters के लिए. Like we planned it for UAE, I guess. Then some problems happened. We had to cancel it and all. But this season we had the Durand Cup and all. And अच्छा pre-season था इस season. So little expectations are there.
So what's your scoreline prediction यार इस game के लिए? And जो भी लोग यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं, also please let me know your scorelines in the comment down below. Yes, Akshay.
I think so. 2-2.
Come on. Okay, it's going to be a nail biting 2-2 game भाई साहब. वैसे मैं बता दूं यहाँ पे लोगों को यार न्यूट्रल ग्राउंड्स पे हो रहा है. गोवा में खेला जाएगा यहाँ पे ISL इस बार. सो होम एंड अवे कोई ऐसा सीन रहा नहीं. फैंस होंगे नहीं प्रोबेबली क्योंकि यार ये बायो बबल वाला सारा सीन है उनका यहाँ पे. कोविड के सिनेरियो को अवॉइड करने के लिए नो फैंस इन द स्टेडियम, थिंग्स लाइक दैट. सो दैट सक्स. बट हम टीवी पे देख रहे होंगे. विल बी डूइंग द वॉच अलोंग. सो आई होप यू गाइस विल बी जॉइनिंग. तो अक्षय सेज 2-2 and I'm gonna say 2-1 for ATK Mohun Bagan. By Kerala Blaster fans, I'm sorry, I do not hate you. I absolutely love you guys because देख रहे हो, so we are trying to bring out these videos for you. So it was great talking to you, Akshay. I still feel कि conversation कहीं ना कहीं अधूरी रह चुकी है. We have to talk a lot about Kerala's Blasters and all the other clubs. And भाई मैं बता रहा हूँ, there are so many teams जिनके बारे में वीडियो मैंने कवर नहीं कर पाया. I was short on time, but क्या करेंगे, हम सीजन स्टार्ट होने दो, धीरे धीरे सारे प्रीव्यूज में हम सारी टीम के बारे में बात करेंगे. We have got Akshay over here. He has been helping me making the videos. Also, there are 2-3 more people who have been helping me making videos of ISL, because obviously I don't have a lot of information when it comes to ISL. But thanks to these guys and thanks to you, आपकी वजह से हम we'll be covering this and watching ISL and covering Indian football. तो भाई Akshay, it was a pleasure to have you over here. So thank you so much for being over here, Akshay.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Bye.
So we'll see you guys very soon. Until then, as always, peace out. Bye, Akshay.
Bye.